Welcome to 7521 Traditional Court Southeast in Caledonia, Michigan. This is a beautiful home that offers comfort and convenience in a serene setting. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath house is a perfect retreat for those seeking a peaceful and spacious lifestyle. As you step inside, you'll appreciate the inviting open concept living room. The vaulted ceilings, cozy gas fireplace, and custom shutters create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The modern kitchen is complete with a convenient island, perfect for meal preparation and hosting, which leads out to a walkout balcony that is perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or relaxing in the evening. The backyard is a peaceful oasis, providing a perfect setting for enjoying the sunshine with family and friends. The finished basement is an ideal space for relaxation and recreation, with a spacious living area that's perfect for unwinding. You'll see the reverse osmosis filter and water softener that ensure clean water throughout the home. The basement features an additional bedroom and a full bathroom. The community offers a gathering gazebo, community grill, and walking path that's perfect for outdoor activities. The 2-stall garage provides ample parking space and storage for your vehicles and equipment. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make this house your home. Come and see 7521 Traditional Court Southeast in Caledonia, Michigan today.